What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today is the day where I am finally gonna be painting the 240SX. Now I've already cleaned it off with the wax and grease remover, hit it with the tack cloth. I might do that one more time right before I spray, just to make sure the surface is fully clean. Now I've got the booth set up here. Now I'm gonna be cleaning out my gun real quick. It's gonna be a 1.4 tip on an HVOP gun. And I'm gonna shut up now. Let's get started on this. I'm super excited. Hopefully it comes out nice, and if it doesn't, we'll fix it when we get there. But let's go. All right, you guys, I just want to show you the setup real quick. I have the whole car here. Now I have a fender over there and the hatch over there. The other fender's here. Now I only have so much room, as you guys can see, to work with. So the whole body, I guess, of the car will be painted. And then the bumpers and side skirts and the wing is going to be separate. I am having the doors on the car like I did with the primer. I'm just going to swing it open, get the jams, kind of close it, then get the door. It's the only way I can do it because of the space that I have. Now the color is sitting right there. Alright guys, coat number 1 is done. I'm sorry if I sound a little weird. I took my microphone off because I don't want to get overspray on it, and I'm not recording too much for the same reason. Now I got the first coat done on everything. Body, doors, door jams, fenders, and as you can see, this is just the first coat. I went pretty light. You can still kind of see through it a little bit, but I'm waiting for this to flash off. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do a second coat, and I'll show you guys what that looks like when the second coat is on. Alright guys, second coat is done, and we got a lot more coverage now. The primer is pretty much all gone now, but it's still a little bit spotty. So I am gonna go ahead and do that third coat, and I'm gonna go heavy on the third coat, like you can kind of see here a little bit. It's still a little tiny bit see-through, and some spots are really hard to get, so I'm not trying to go too crazy, but So far so good. I'm gonna do that third coat, let this dry real quick, and I'll show you guys what that third coat looks like. And then I'm gonna go heavy on the third, and we're gonna spray that clear coat that I have right there. Third coat of the base coat is now done. I am just letting the car dry off now. I am gonna clean off my gun real quick, and then I am gonna shoot that clear coat, and I'm gonna go pretty heavy on the clear. It's gonna be 2 coats of clear that are gonna be heavy, and that should be it. If I need to do a third coat, then I'll do a third coat, but I'm gonna clean up a little bit, and then I'm gonna go ahead and spray that clear. All right, 2 clear coats later, and this is how the car looks. I don't know if you guys can see that. This thing looks so freaking nice. Now, obviously, there's a little imperfections here and there, but it's my first time, and given the area where I'm at, and you know, being my first time, I am super happy with the results. Now, what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna let this thing dry off, give it a couple days, let it harden, do its thing. Then I'm gonna come back with a polish, and I'm gonna polish out the whole car with a dual action polisher, a DA. Smooth everything out. If there's any orange peel, we'll get rid of that too. Alright, you guys, that is gonna be it for today. I am tired. I'm gonna go take a shower because apparently clear coat is really sticky and it's all over my hands. I'm super stoked on how this came out. Hope you guys like the color because I freaking love it. Now, any questions or comments, leave them down below. If you guys like the music, check out my homie Garden. He's super talented, so show him some love. Share this video with your friends. Please subscribe, it means a lot to me. Help the Boosted Cartel grow. Be part of the Boosted Cartel. Now we're gonna come back and polish this when it's all dry and hardened up, and that paint is really gonna pop and it's really gonna shine. But I'll see you guys next time. Later.